Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize your Widen Collective for brand consistency step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Widen Collective account. Navigate to the brand settings section on the dashboard. Click on the authorization tab. Here, you will find the options to manage brand consistency. Begin by adding your brand's primary logo. Upload the logo file in the recommended format. Ensure the resolution meets the platform's standards. Next, add any alternative logos if applicable. Include specific guidelines for logo usage. Define your brand's color palette in the settings. Add the hex codes for each color in your palette. Provide details on how these colors should be used. Next, upload your brand's fonts. Ensure you include both primary and secondary font options. Specify guidelines on font pairings and weights. Move to the imagery section and upload examples of approved visuals. Detail the visual style that aligns with your brand. Include any necessary trademarks or legal disclaimers. Review the entire brand authorization document for accuracy. Save all changes before publishing. Communicate with your team about the new brand guidelines. Encourage everyone to refer back to this authorization regularly. This step-by-step process ensures your brand remains consistent across all platforms. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.